Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be very important for all of you who want to create unlimited Instagram account. So watch till the end and don't worry if you don't understand English. That's not a big deal because just watch my video because am going to guide you step by step and also showing you practically how to do that. So if you don't understand English, that's not a big deal. Just follow me. You'll be able to create unlimited Instagram account by which you can do many kinds of work like gaining more and more followers or doing any other jobs. And first of all, let me clear you that this video is only for educational purpose. Do not try to mislead this method or use this method in any illegal way. So make sure to use this method in legal and good way. So without any further ado, let's jump on our video. So to create an unlimited Instagram account, we need an VPN called Hola VPN. Okay, if you are doing this on your mobile phone or in your PC, just install Hola VPN. If you are working on your PC, just go to any browser and from there download Hola VPN. And if you're doing this in your mobile phone, then just go to Play Store, or if you're doing this in your Apple, then just go to Apple Store and just download Hola VPN. And this method is working for any kind of device you are using. So after installing this browser, first of all we have to install first of all we have to install Hola VPN. This is our first task. Then what we have to do, then just click on your VPN and just open it. Okay, then just randomly select an location. For experience performance and for my from my personal experience, I would suggest you to choose United States as the country and wait for a couple of seconds and it will automatically be connected. And the speed of this VPN depends on your local Wi-Fi or your local network speed. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes or couple of seconds to connect. As you can see here, it's been connected in my local PC. So my local PC IP address has been changed to this IP address. Okay. Second, we have to connect VPN, and that should be USA. Okay. Now we have installed our Hola VPN and connect our VPN. Then we have to open Brave browser. Okay, Brave browser. Install Brave browser and open it. Just install Brave browser and then open it. Just click on that and we will maximize the size. And after that, click on these three lines and then click on new private window. Just click on this and after that just search here an website which link is like this: www.tempmail.id. You can take a screenshot or I will put the link in the description or in the pin comment. Just go to pin comment and check this link and just click on this link. Make sure you have connected to the VPN. Okay, now we'll just copy this link, paste it here and paste and go, and we will search this website and we will wait for a couple of seconds to reach the website. And here you can see this website is connected with us. Now you can ask me what we have to do and what the work of this website. So we are gonna have unlimited temp mail with business domain for free. Okay, okay, after this work you have to just click on the plus icon and create a new tab and search here Instagram. Search here Instagram. Okay, so we have uh, opened this site. After that we have to search Instagram. Okay, okay, we have searched Instagram and here we are, and just click on Instagram. After reaching this page you just click on sign up, as you can see in the corner the sign up option, and click on that. Now this page will show you four option and four information boxes which you have to have complete. Okay, for that first of all we have to provide our email address. For that we have uh, open an website where we are gonna have unlimited email addresses, so we can build and create unlimited IG account. Okay, okay, now just copy this email address this website is providing you. If you want to create a custom email address for yourself, then you just have to click on new and enter your domain. I am randomly just typing a domain and sorry, an username, and then select your domain. You will get six different types of domain which you can use for free. Okay, then just click on a domain and click here, and the email address will be created in a couple of seconds. Here you can see that our email address has been created, so we'll just copy this email address and paste it here. Then just randomly put your name. We are putting here an random name, and just put here a random username. Make sure that it's available. Let's see, this uh, username is available now, and just put your password. Make sure that these three boxes are checked marked. After putting your password, just click on sign up. And now you have to uh, follow this, and you have to randomly just select this. But I will suggest you in year section you choose the 1998 and 1999. This year's options are better than others. Okay, after choosing the date, year, month, just click on next, and confirmation mail has been sent it to this mail. We will wait for a couple of seconds or minute to get that confirmation mail, which will bring us the confirmation code. Okay, here you can see the confirmation code is here. We will just copy this confirmation code and just paste it here. Now those who have just skipped this video, they are not gonna make unlimited account, because I haven't shown the main process yet. So make sure to watch this video till the end. This video is gonna be a very short video, so just keep a little patient and watch this video till the end. And after watching a single time, I can guarantee you that you do not have to watch this video again. Okay, okay, let's back to our video. Okay, we have put our confirmation code, then click on next and wait for a couple of seconds so that our account could get created by Instagram. And also it depends on your local internet speed how fast this account gonna be created. As you can see here, we have created an Instagram account. Okay, we have created an Instagram account. So now we'll just store this email address so that we can use in our future. Okay, okay, now I haven't show you the unlimited process. Now I am gonna show you the process how you can create an unlimited account Instagram. Okay, so I have provided you this email site where you can get unlimited email address for lifetime for free. You do not have to pay a single dollar. Okay, you'll get six different domains for free, and your custom username option is available so that you can make your own custom email address. So the process is, here we have created a single account. Okay, to show you in this video I have just created this account in front of you in live. Okay, now what we have to do, after creating an account, you have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, after creating an account, wait for 2 minutes, and it's necessary because if you don't do this, your mac address gonna be tracked, and Instagram gonna just block you for lifetime. And it's happened in past many times, so I am just warning you so that your mac address don't get. So now the first thing that we have to follow, that after creating an account we have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, we have waited for 2 minutes. After waiting 2 minutes, then we will just close these tabs. We'll just close these tabs. Again we have to go to uh, these three lines, and we have to go to new private window. Then we again have to search that site, and this process haven't been completed yet. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and after watching this video I can guarantee you that you don't need to watch this video again. Okay, as you can see here, this site is showing us the same email address. Okay, so what do we have to do is we have to just click on new, then create another email address, and make sure that you use different uh, domain addresses each time. Okay, um, like example, you have used this domain, after that you have to use this domain, and after that you have to use this domain. Just use domain. We are gonna select this domain and just click on next. So we have our account, and just click new tab and open Instagram. And don't try to do this in your Instagram app. Okay, if you are doing this in your mobile phone or your PC, you will have an inbuilt Instagram app in Windows 11. Don't try to do that in Instagram software or Instagram app. Okay, just do this in web browser. We'll click on Instagram, and as you can see here, our history has been stored here. For that we just have to go to this new tab and cross Instagram, and we have to go to settings. Okay, we have to go to settings and go to history, then select all, control A, and select all the information and all the history, and just click on delete, removed. Okay, and then just cut and again search Instagram. Follow this step very carefully, otherwise you won't be able to create Instagram account unlimited. Okay, as you can see, our account still not been removed from here. For that we have to just click on profile, and these are the processes, and click on settings and click on logout. Okay, so we are logged out. After that we again have to go to settings, again have to go to history, and make sure that there is no history stored here. Okay, after that we just have to click on close all, and again go to sign up, Again, take the domain, sorry, the email address, randomly put any name, randomly put any username, randomly put and password, and just click on sign up. Choose random date and month. Choose 1999 or 1998. Click next. Wait for confirmation code. After getting confirmation code, just copy, paste it here. Click next. Wait for a couple of seconds again, and your account is created. And I'm gonna show you this live that I created unlimited account for free. And the most important information I haven't told you yet, so make sure to watch this video till the end. As you can see here, we have created the second account of our unlimited process. Okay, now again we will store our email. We will store our email here, and we know the password, it's in our mind. And after creating two accounts, you have to change your IP address. For that, we have to change our VPN IP address. After creating two accounts, you have to have changed the VPN IP. For that, just click on, it will be off, and then again click on off, and it will be automatically get on. Okay, you have to follow that. After, if you don't follow these steps, and you won't be able to create multiple account, or you can say unlimited account. And if you don't get unlimited account, so what's the benefit of watching this video? So make sure to follow all the steps we have shown in this video. Okay, and if you need, just watch this video multiple times so that you can understand the process and work properly. So you can see here our IP address has been changed. So again we will follow our steps. We will go to Brave browser, then we will go to this temp mail site. We'll search Instagram and randomly choose an email address, and then we will create an account and wait for 2 minutes. And after that we will create another account, and after that we will again change our IP address. Okay, and this is the process to create unlimited IG account, and there is no other option or method, you could say, that the way you could make unlimited IG account. So thanks for watching till the end. Make sure to follow and subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up to us, and put a comment that in next video what you want to know. So take care and bye bye.